Hi, my name is Hunter. I work at Kendall Toyota of Eugene, and today we'll be talking about the 2026 Tundra SR5. Today I want to talk about my top 5 favorite things on the 2026 Tundra, the SR5s, and first we'll start with the aluminum composite bed that this truck has. It is a completely indestructible bed that you can lay anything inside of and it will not damage, dent, or scratch it. And then number 2, my favorite thing on this guy is probably going to be the backsliding window that it has, so when you're driving down the highway you can roll the back window down completely on these Tundras. So number 3, my number 3 favorite thing is probably the Post-Shutdown Turbo Cooling System that it has. So when you shut these trucks off, when they have their turbos in them, they'll have an extra electronic water pump that'll actually trickle a little bit of water throughout the turbo system, allowing it for an easier cool down so there's not any misshapings on the metal or anything like that if it gets too hot from cooling down unnaturally. So number 4, we're going to tie into the engine. So the engine on this guy is the V6 twin turbo, 389 horsepower with 479 pound-feet of torque, giving it a max towing capacity of 12,000 pounds with a 6.5-foot bed on it as well. And then in turn, that would also give it gas mileage of between 18 to 23 miles per gallon, given that you're driving in the city or the highway, for a combined miles per gallon of 21. And then rounding out the top 5 ends with the lift wheels and tires that are on this guy. So we put lift wheels and tires on at our dealerships here. These are Raceline wheels and it has a 3.5-inch lift on it, and then it has our Predator side step running boards on there, and you can get those added on at our Kendall Toyota through our parts department on any Toyota truck or Tundra, whichever you prefer. For more information, please feel free to subscribe or come down to our showroom on Goodpasture Island Road, or check out our website at kendalltoyotaofeugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.